Hello Mushkins, and in this video I'll be showing you how we make some of the best selling slimes available on our website. And this video is more of a decorating tutorial, so if you are looking for a slime tutorial where you make slime from scratch, make sure to scroll through our videos on our channel and you'll find loads of videos there that will help you out. First up, we have one of the most popular clear slimes on our website, and this one is called Magical, and we launched this with our Valentine's Day themed restock long ago, and it's still one of my absolute favorite slimes to make, and it's so mesmerizing to look at. It is an unscented blue clear slime colored with this blue food coloring, and then we add this beautiful color shifting pigment to the slime. So when you stretch the slime, you end up seeing all the different colors like the pearl, the blue, and the purple. And this slime is still available on our website. If you are looking to purchase it, just go and have a look at our website. The link will be in the description of this video. Next, we have another clear slime, and this one has been a bestseller on our website ever since we launched our gemstone themed restock. And this is a purple swirled clear slime that comes with a dash of color shifting pearl to purple pigment on top. So it's a really beautiful slime, and it is so much fun to make and then mix together once you've made it. And what I like to use for this purple swirl is blue and red food coloring. I don't like using normal purple food coloring to make this slime because the purples that you buy at the shops often change color within the slime. But for some reason, because of everything happening in the country right now, we can't get hold of red food coloring. So for the purpose of this video, I decided just to use some normal purple food coloring. So this isn't exactly what the slime looks like when you get it, but I just had to use the normal purple food coloring just so that I could make this slime for the video. So you swirl the purple food coloring into the slime, and then you put a dash of pigment on top, and it makes the most beautiful slime once you mix everything together. And it's almost too pretty to mix together. Sometimes I just like staring at the beautiful swirl. Next, we have one of the most popular items from our Easter themed restock, and this is our Easter donut. So with this kit, you get a 50ml unscented clear slime that's made with these beautiful pink shredded glitters. That's just absolutely beautiful. And then you also get a 250ml icing slime swirled with pink and blue, and it's scented like candy floss. So to make your swirl, you have to divide the 250ml icing slime into two parts, and then you mix the one part blue and then the other part you mix pink, and then you just swirl that together. And then to make the clay donut from scratch, you just have to get any white air-dried clay, and that you can get at most stationery stores like P&A, and then you just have to add some purple paint to it, mix it together and shape it into a donut, and then there you have your entire kit. Next, we have one of my favorite clay slimes that we sell on our website, and this one is called Oreo Chocolate Bar, and it is a clay slime scented like a chocolate fudge type chocolate. It smells so good. So to make this slime, you will need to take off about a quarter of the blob of slime and then color that little quarter piece with dark brown paint. Mix that all together and then layer that at the bottom of the container, and then you can top up that brown layer with the rest of the white blob of slime, and then you can scatter these dark black shavings on the side of the slime to get that Oreo chocolate effect. And I just love this slime so much because it smells incredible and it looks so realistic. And once you swirl everything together and mix it together, you get this really yummy looking soft serve chocolate type effect that's just so much fun to mix together. Next, we have Mystical Egg, and this is yet another bestseller from our Easter themed restock. It is a purple icing slime scented like chocolate and marshmallow, so it smells really delicious, and it gets a scatter of golden pigment on the side. And the slime is actually so easy to make. You just take your blob of icing slime and put a dash of purple paint with it, and then you just mix that all together and then put the dash of pigment on the side and then squish it into the tub. Next, we have Galaxy Lemonade, and this is a bestseller from our most recent themed restock, which was all about cocktails. So this slime is divided into 3 parts, and you will need purple and blue food coloring. And the way we make this slime is we divide the slime into 3 parts, and then 1 part you color with purple food coloring, and then the next part you color with blue food coloring. And then once you have all your colors mixed, you can just put them together and then swirl them into the tub any which way you like. The next item that's really popular on our website are our mystery boxes. And our mystery boxes are boxes that come with a bunch of mystery 50ml mini slimes. So you can't choose the slimes in these boxes. It all comes as a surprise when you open up the box. We love to include our best-selling slimes as well as slimes from our most recent restocks. And we also love to include mystery slimes in these boxes as well. Next, we have Mango Freezer, and this has been a popular slime on our website for the longest time. It is a swirled slime made out of icing slime and clay slime. So when you mix everything together, the end texture is just incredible. It basically is just the best of both worlds of clay and icing slime. So to make this slime, you will need to take your icing slime and mix together orange and yellow paint to get that bright, light orange color. And then once you are happy with the color of your icing slime, you can take your clay slime, align the two together, and then just swirl them together into your tub. And then you get this beautiful clay and icing slime swirled effect. We sell quite a big range of aromatherapy slimes on our website, and by far the most popular slime from that range is our anxiety relief slime, and it is a pastel blue clay or icing slime made with a blend of essential oils like clary sage, lavender and rose. And in this video I just wanted to show you a little clip of mixing a big batch of pastel blue clay slime made with all of those essential oils, and I absolutely loved filming this video because the blend of essential oils is just so amazing and it smells so incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how we make all of these different slimes. And if you are interested in purchasing any of them, make sure to click the link in the description of this video and it will take you directly to our website.